So are you in the market to buy you a new propane grill, or maybe replace your old grill that's maybe burnt out and it's just time that you get a new grill? Well, today you're in luck. We are going to take a look at, do a short unboxing of a Monument MESA 400MF. And this is a propane grill. So let's go. Lord of mercy, what a blessing. My name is Dan, and I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks in the Hits Farm. And if you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you. And if you are returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, which is always something, thank you for coming back. So today we are going to take a look and do a short unboxing at something that was sent to me out of, sure enough, Atlanta, Georgia, a company called Monument Grills. I'd rather be doing it outside, but it is a chilly 30 degrees over here in East Central Mississippi. And with the wind blowing, probably about 28 degrees. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, right off the bat, I really like the way that it is boxed up. Instructions, parts. Nice. A lot of parts. All right, there's the grill out of the box. This is probably an unconventional way to put this thing together, but you know what? Hey, I'm by myself. So we're gonna get into the instructions and see if we can't get this guy put together. Okay, 3 hours later, I finally have this grill fully assembled. I'm going to spin you around. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to talk about some of the key features, more importantly, price. And of course, I'm going to leave a link down in the description pointing you directly to where you can find it on Amazon, which, by the way, Monument Grills is having a special, a Cyber Monday special going on where buy more, save more, buy one, get one. So it's really something that you and y'all need to look at if you're in the market for a new grill. But price is always the thing. Right now, this grill is on Amazon right now for $2.99. And if you're a Prime member, free shipping. Okay, let's take a look at it now that it is fully assembled. Again, this is Monument Grills Mesa series. It's a 4-burner propane grill, and this is the MESA 400MF. And right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that I am truly impressed with what they did with this Mesa line. Now, what I'm going to say, this is a really nice entry level propane grill. We're going to open it up, take a look at the inside, and right off the bat, my eye just caught these cast iron grates. I really like these. They're easy to clean. Takes a little bit of prep work to get them to where they don't stick, but that's no big deal because you could coat these down with some cooking spray just to keep stuff from sticking and get your temperature right. But anyways, really nice. These diffusers are really nice. They're enamel coated, so it'll make for easy cleaning. And you can see that stainless steel drip tray down at the bottom. We'll go around back and take a look at that here in a second. But for the folks that like numbers, the cooking area on this grill is 570 square inches total. 405 square inches is going to be your primary cooking surface, and you're going to have 165 square inches of warming rack up top. Really nice. Another thing I like about this grill is this warming rack just lifts straight off. You don't have to twist it, unscrew anything. It just comes straight out. So if you don't need the warming rack, just take it off. Dimension wise, this grill is 22 inches deep, 50.6 inches wide, and 44.6 inches tall. On the outside, I really like the fact that you have this viewing window. So if you're doing a cook and you just want to see what's going on, it's really nice to be able to just look through this window and see what's going on versus having to lift it up and see what's happening, because you know what? When you're looking, you ain't cooking, just saying. Comes with a really nice temperature gauge, and I really like the way this looks on this grill. And of course, it's a 4-burner, electronic ignition, and just the stainless steel look, it appeals to me. On the right side of the grill, one of the workstations or tables actually folds down. So if you need to move it or you don't need it, you could fold it down, which is something that I really like. And the workstations are really stable. Another thing to note, on each one of these workstations or tables, you have accessory hooks. So you have 2 on this one and 2 on this shelf, which is stationary. It does not move. Another cool thing that they added in is a bottle opener, just in case you want to engage in adult beverages while you're grilling. There you go. On the back of the grill is where your drip tray will slide out, or your grease pan. Sorry about the noise. Stainless steel, really like that. It slides into place, and underneath it you have an individual drip pan that'll catch your drippings. Mounted in a nifty little holder. So excellent job on that. And on the right side at the bottom, this is where your propane bottle will go, and it's got a safety catch for it, which you should be using. And you also have a match lighter. So if you cannot get the grill to ignite using the igniter, or you run out of batteries, you can stick your match right in there, turn your gas on, and you can safely light your grill using a match with this tool. Pretty handy. Another thing I want to touch on is assembly of this grill. If you have a buddy or a friend that can help you put this grill together, it's going to go a lot faster. Instruction wise, the instructions are fairly well written. They give you a parts list, identify each part by number, and here is your legend to let you know what each part is called. As far as the screws, I thought it was a really nice touch that Mesa put all of the screws together, and I hope you could see that, in one place. And in this plastic container, each one of these little squares or holders is labeled with a letter, A, B, and so on. which corresponds to different parts of the grill. Tells you here that you're going to need 4 of the F screws. Here's F, so you grab 4 of these and you commence to putting this thing together. To put this whole grill together, I used a slotted screwdriver, and this is a large head slotted screwdriver. You could use a Phillips screwdriver if you wanted. I just had this on hand, but I put this whole grill together with this one tool. I was planning on firing this grill up today, but it is flipping cold outside and the wind is a whooping. So I may do a separate video on doing a cook on this grill, but to use it, I will say, per the instructions, before you use this grill, you need to turn all of these burners on to high, shut this lid, let it cook off for about 3 to 5 minutes, just to get rid of any impurities that may be on the grates or the surface, the inside surface of the grill, machining oils, things of that nature. Using that burn off period, 3 to 5 minutes, will get this grill nice and clean and ready to go. Alright, so that's going to wrap up this video on a short unboxing and a review on this grill. I'm here to tell you, I can't wait to use it. I'm just going to have to wait till it warms up just a little bit, but thoroughly impressed with Monument Grills Mesa line of propane grills. Did a fantastic job on it, and this would be perfect for somebody that's just beginning to learn how to barbecue, and expert barbecuers can use this. It's just a really nice entry-level grill. So again, I hope everybody is having a great weekend, and if it's cold where you're at, I hope you're staying warm. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like putting together really nice grills, so I wish I could go outside and grill though. With that being said, you know it's coming down, referee, sure enough. Always gon' say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grill on, get your grill on. Be you, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.